So this is the 3 globs of garlic, and I'm gonna plant it here in the pot for safety purposes since my environment is a little bit messy and I don't want someone to ruin this project. So the process of planting this garlic is that the pointed part of the garlic should be in the upper to make it grow beautifully. And then I put soil and I make sure that these garlic are 2 inches apart to each other. So I watered it. So this is the third day when I planted the garlic. 1 week after I planted it and it grows an inch. So this will probably be the 2 weeks and counting. And after 3 weeks, it happens that the 2 cloves of garlic eventually grows. I thought the only one will grow because it takes time for the two. I kept watering it every day, and here it goes. The other one became this tall. It grows really good and healthy. For 1 month and 2 weeks, it grows really healthy. So this is the day I'm gonna harvest the vegetable I planted, which is a garlic. So first, so this is the final look of the vegetables. So for the past days, my vegetables became like this, that some part my of the garlic are becoming wealth. So garlic are good for reducing our blood pressure, and also garlic fights the viruses, bacteria, fungi, and even parasites. So the journey of growing this plant or vegetables is quite amazing because seeing this every day and growing makes my heart flutter, and this is my first time growing a vegetable, and now I'm gonna harvest it to see if this is really in a full growth. This is the final product. It's not a full grown